Okay, this is one of the new style questions. Right, the diagram shows a rectangular wall, 6 metres by 1.8 metres. Frank is going to cover the wall with rectangular tiles. Each tile is 60 centimetres by 30 centimetres. 3/5 of the tiles will be white, some of the tiles are green, rest are blue. The ratio of number of green tiles and blue tiles is 1 to 3. Now there's a lot of things being tested here. Now, whenever you see a rectangle, 90% of the time it's going to be an area question. These are in centimetres, these are in metres. That's going to confuse me straight away. So I'm going to put this 6 as 600 centimetres and this 1.8 as 180 centimetres. This way here I can confirm them both. Now we need to work out how many tiles are going to be using. Okay. Now the easiest way, if you think about a tile being this way, if it's 60 this way and 30 that way, how many times does 60 go into 600? Which means this way here it'll be 10. How many times does 30 go into 180? And that will be 6. So we know that it's going to actually use 60 tiles. Now there is another way we could do it. We could do 600 times 180, which gives us 180,000. And then we could do 30 times 60, which gives us 1,800, and we can divide it, we'd still get 60. But as this is a non-calculator paper, those big numbers can confuse people. Right, either way you've got 60 tiles. Now, 3/5 of the tiles are white, so it's 3/5 of 60, you just multiply it. Now you can either times it by the top, then divide it by the bottom, or divide it by the bottom times it by the top, whichever way you want. I'm going to do 60 divided by 5, which gives me 12. And then I'm going to do 12 times 3, which gives me 36. So I know 36 are white. Now the ratio of the number of green tiles to blue tiles must be 1 to 3. Now if 36 are white, I know the rest must either be blue or green. So I know there's 60 in total. I've got to subtract my 36, which gives me 24. Now if I've got 24 tiles in the ratio of 1 to 3, I have to share 24 in the ratio of 1 to 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. We see how many times can I share that out into 24. So I divide 24 by 4, which gives me 6. So I know 1 represents 6, and then I know that 3 must be 18. Okay. Let's make sure I got it right. Green must be the 1, so green. So 6 must be green. And 18 must be blue. Now there is a second part of this question. Okay. Now it says Frank is told that he should leave gaps between the tiles. If Frank leaves gaps between the tiles, how could this affect the number he needs? Now that could doesn't give you a definite answer. So the answer isn't it will definitely be less tiles. The answer is he may use less tiles. Now this may is very important because there are situations where he might not use less tiles. Yeah, he might use the same amount, but he might have to chop a few up. So please put that may in, because that may might affect whether you get that whole marks or not.